Hi, my name is Marta, and in this video I will explain the sigma notation. The sigma notation is all about the sum. So that's how I remember it. This symbol, the sigma notation, means add the sum. So let's go through an example to understand what we have to add. We add the terms of a sequence. In this case, we got a sequence UR, which is 3R minus 1. And here we have the formula of the sequence, 3R minus 1. See, here is our UR, our sequence. So we will be adding the terms of the sequence. Now, this symbol is called sigma, and it means the sum. It means add the terms. Which terms? It says start with r equal to 1, so start with the first term and then go up till the fourth term. So this symbol here means add the terms start with the first one, end with the fourth one. So it means add u1, u2, u3, and u4. So I can find the first 4 terms of this sequence, and if I add them, I will get the sum of them, so what we are asked to find here. Let me write it clearly one more time. We need the sum from the first term till the fourth one of the sequence given by the formula 3r minus 1. So let's do it. First, let's list the terms. u1 is 3 times 1 minus 1, which is 2. u2 is 3 times 2 minus 1, so 5. u3 is 3 times 3 minus 1, which is 8. Yes, I am using this formula, which says that to find ur, you multiply r by 3 and subtract 1. And I need u4, so 3 times 4 minus 1, which is 11. These are the first 4 terms, and I add them to 5, 8, and 11 to find the sum as I was asked to do here, and that would be 26. So the sum of the terms from the first one to the fourth one of the sequence UR equals 3R minus 1 is 26. That's it. That's the sigma notation. Let's try another example. Okay, we have to calculate the sum from the third one till the sixth one. Now it says to start with the third one and end with the sixth one. So we want u3, u4, u5, and u6 added up together. And to find u3, u4, u5, and u6, we use this formula. So we start with r equal to 3 and just substitute to the formula. For r equal to 3, we have 3 squared plus, now okay, so that was r equal to 3. That's how we start. Then r equal to 4, the next r, so 4 squared plus the next r is 5, so 5 squared according to the formula. The next r, and the last one actually, because we were supposed to end at 6, is 6 squared. And that's what we add up. And that's 9 and 16 and 25 and 36. So altogether we have 86. That's the answer. So basically we substitute the first one, which is 3 for r, then go until you reach 6, which was the last one. Let's take a look at the next example. In the next example, we have to write the series using the sigma notation. So we have the expanded form, and we would actually like to write it as the sum, as the sigma notation. Series, so the sum of those terms. But we need to figure out the formula. That's the trick. We have to figure out the formula. So what do we have here? First, 1 times 2, then 2 times 3, then 3 times 4, then 4 times 5. So it looks like we are multiplying. Definitely I will write multiplication. And then let's start with the first one. Let's say that r is 1. So then the first one is r, right? Because it will be 1, then 2, then 3, then 4. It matches. And the second number is 1 more. So r plus 1. So the formula will be r times r plus 1. Does it match? Yeah, for r equal to 1, r is 1, and you multiply it by 1 more, so 2. For r equal to 2, for the next number, you get 2 times r plus 1, so 3. For r equal to 3, 3 times r plus 1, so 4. And for r equal to 4, you take the r and multiply it by r plus 1, so 5. And by listing it all, I can clearly see that the last term I add is for r equal to 4. So that's what I write in my sigma notation. I need 3 elements for a good sigma notation. What r I should start with, what r I should end with, and to which formula I should substitute my r's. So the terms of which sequence are we adding. And that would be the end of the lesson about the sigma notation. See you in the next video.